Everyone knows you gotta have turkey for Thanksgiving, right? But what if we're hosting a smaller crowd, or we simply don't want to deal with that big old bird? Well, we've got a solution that starts off with a turkey breast and will end up being the talk of the holiday table. We begin by placing a boneless, skinless turkey breast on a cutting board, flattening it just like we would a chicken breast. If you don't see a boneless breast, just ask the butcher to bone one for you. We top it with some stuffing that we made with some dried cranberries. And as for the stuffing, that can be a shortcut one or even homemade. Now, we roll this up jelly roll style and place it seam side down in a roasting pan. We brush the whole thing with some seasoned oil, and into the oven it goes until it's cooked through. You know, this is a whole lot easier than cooking a big bird. And when it comes to carving this, it doesn't get any easier. Does this look good or what? And with all that yummy stuffing rolled up in it, it's like a double bonus. The recipe for our stuffed and rolled turkey breast is online now, so you can take the stress out of making your holiday dinner. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a spirally tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Hey, Kelly, you want to try some? You never say no to food.